Guys, after watching this tutorial and you still have a reason why you can still not start printing thousands of dollars online, then definitely I really don't know what to say, because even your village people, I'm not sure your village people are chasing you. You are the one chasing your village people by this time around. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you some ways on how you can start your either Forex journey or crypto journey with $0. So yes, with $0 you can start and make a lot of money. So let's start from crypto. This is crypto. Some of us, we have a little knowledge on the crypto, like maybe short future trading or spot trading or crypto arbitrage, and some of us, we are still giving an excuses that we don't have fun to start or something like that. And I can say to you that that is unrecognized flimsy excuses, because there is not actually an excuse. If you say you don't have fun to start, it's not an excuse, because there is a lot of opportunity out there. Like maybe in 2022, 2023, when I think it was Notcoin, I introduced Notcoin to people, and I actually get a referral then, because and still, do you know what? Nobody actually took it very serious. And by the end of the day, I was able to cash out 1 point. After I converted to Naira, I was 1.21 M. Look at it. This is just free money for free. Free. This is free money. 1.2 M for free. And there are a lot of people that cash out more than that, because I never took it serious. And after that, I later took it very serious. I during Amstar Combat, I cash out, is it $48? $48. This is free money. During Dogs time, I cash out is it 27 or 25? Let's put it 20. 20. Now, this is money. If you do your math, this $20 now times this $20 times 1,005 is a money. Let's even say this the recent one that was launched, this Pi network. I got more than 2003, and they actually migrated 1,510 to my account, and Pi was launched at rate of $3. Let's even do the maths here, so that you will know you will see the reality. Let's search for Pi. This is Pi. The currently now the market, the price has dropped, but let's assume as at the time it was launched, which was $3. $3. This is $3. This is $3, and I have a quantity of 1,510. Look at it. This is how much I make from Pi. Sorry, 1,510. Look at it. This is 454530. Now look, if you now times this times, if I convert it to Naira, let's say 1,005, you know that the dollar is dollar to Naira is even more than 1,005. Do you know how much is it? This is not less than 6 million. Trust me, if you go and do the math, this is not less than 6.8 million. That is just what I cash out from Pi, and beside, I never even took it very serious. So this, if you are not still mining the airdrop, I don't know where you are going to get your money from. Let's assume as I cash out from this Pi, I now use $1,000 to invest since the time Pi was launched till now. Do you know how much profit I will have made? No. So that is not an excuse. I don't have money to start something is not an excuse. When there is opportunity, let me even show you one airdrop. This is just one of the airdrop that only one person cash out. This party, you see this airdrop, this party, somebody cash. This was somebody allocation alone. And look at another person here. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, let's only focus on this alone. Let's assume you are the one that have this, and it was launched around 0.4. Let's check it. Party. Trust me, this is a real reality, and this is not a Netflix that you see something that is fake. This is what people are making, and I will want you to go to Twitter and check, and you will notice that the allocation of people that actually do this airdrop, you will see the allocation. Come and check it if you actually also participate in that airdrop. Do you know how much you will have made? This let me review. They actually launch it around 4.4, but let's just go with the current market 2021 to 30. How much is this? This is 7,379 dollars. And if you convert this now, this is a real money. This is just a free money. So I don't know why we are still not taking advantage of it. I introduce you guys to this airdrop. Some people are mining, some people are not even taking it serious. And if you go to our Play Store now, you will notice that this airdrop alone has more than million. I'm not sure, but it has more than million. I can't figure the figure now, but it has more than 1 million. If you go to App Store as well, you will notice that the app, this Ari wallet, has more than million. We never knew what will come out from it. This is also another one which I introduce you guys to, and some of you are still no you are not taking it serious. I don't really know what. I don't really know why. And still we still keep blaming ourselves, that we keep blaming others that they are not helping us, they are not doing that. And you yourself, you are not helping yourself. I have a lot of mining these things that I believe that those things are going to cook. And if you are actually interested now, after watching this video, I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can join us and mine together. Do you know, once they launch this thing, only God know how much I'm going to cash out from this place. So it's actually a game changer. The crypto space is let me show you. If you now intended that you have maybe like $5 or something dollar, you can actually turn your $1 to $1 million. Let me take you to Dex Screener and you see how meme coin works. So now let's say, for example, you actually cash out with the airdrop, free airdrop, and you now use the money, part of the money, you will remove just a little token to invest in this, in the crypto again. Look at this. Let's assume this guy actually invest $99, and look at how much he was able to cash out. $73,000. $73,000 with just $99. Look at how people are making mad money from this crypto space. So I really don't know why we are still not taking the crypto space very serious. Look at the way people are printing money. All these are profit. You can start from free and then expound yourself, move yourself, upgrade yourself to this. That is very simple. This is very simple. So after watching this video and still you are still not serious, then I think I've done my part. And to those interested in Forex, let me show you a short video before I explain how to get into Forex to you. So this is the video I want to share with you. Look at it. With just 1 minute, this guy was able to make mad money here. This is look at the time here, 3:39, and look at how much he have here. He only have $99. Just $99. Just watch the video and see. Let me play the video. Watch the video and see. Just from $99, just watch the video. Look at it. 9,000 plus. Now the guy started from $99 and was able to cash out 9,286. Once after he closed this trade alone, he made almost this number. And he started from just $99, which is not even up to 200,000 or even up to 150,000. And look at it. Do you know how much millions it is? So this is opportunity that I want you guys to dive into. In the Forex, like I said, in the crypto, there is an opportunity in the Forex as well. You can start learning. You see, some of us that buy course or something like that, I don't see. Well, I can't discourage any of you to buy course, but what you can find in YouTube is more than the course, what you can get in the course. I myself, I have invested a lot of money in buying course, but I discovered that YouTube is one of the best class best class to learn everything, to the extent I even start learning India, because some courses, some YouTubers, all those India guys, they are very good in explaining everything once you just learn hear their language. So I don't see in the crypto, if you are still having excuses that you don't have money to put in the crypto, in the forex, there is a lot of free accounts there that they can offer you. No free deposits, no free deposits. Some brokers can offer you from $30, $100 and above. With that free money, if you can double that money, make it to $100, you can actually cash out. Trust me, I have cashed out a lot of no free accounts in this forex. And if you actually check our platform, this same Beedatech platform, our Telegram, you will notice that we have a lot of forex. We have traded a lot of forex since 2021, 2022. We've been trading a lot. So for me, I am just here to maybe motivate you guys not to give up and start doing something. And if you are interested in forex, for now, I don't have the energy to take any class, but I can actually introduce you to even a friend of mine. I have a friend, his name is Coffee Dollar. He's a forex trader, confirmed good in forex. So he's a Ghanaian, he's from Ghana, and he's actually, if you I will actually introduce you to his channel, and you can start your journey even from forex. And there is a lot of forex classes on the YouTube that will give you idea and teach you everything for free. All these things, once you start doing it and start practicing it, any strategy you have, just do it and practice. Your mindset is your distinct. Once you get ready, once you take it very serious, you will notice that by the end of the day, you have nothing to lose than gain. If I told you that I started my forex journey with just, is it $10, then how much am I saying? It's 10,000, not even $10. A friend of mine, that we both graduated from the same uni. The guy just started. He was the one that even introduced me to forex. And myself, I wasn't interested because of the chat. Actually, I'm a computer and software engineering, but because of that chat, it was so boring. The guy took it very serious, and in 2021 September, I was the one. The guy called me. I was at work. The guy called me. I was the one that even escort him to airport. The guy is currently in Canada, and how much did he start? How much did he invest? Just 15,000. You see, there is a lot of opportunities there. This is not maybe I'm trying to brag or something. I am just telling you the reality and the fact. The guy actually took it serious and was doing, and he was lucky. And as he was serious, he took it. And likewise myself, in 2022, I travels a lot, travel out here, go there, because of this same forest money. I have cashed out a lot in this forest. So if you still don't, after watching this video, and you still don't make up your mind, then definitely I really don't know what to say, because seriously, these are the life game changer, and there is a lot of opportunity. Like I was even begging people to, I wanted to be teaching them how to code, how to design a website, how to do this, how to do that. I even have designed a flyer that's okay. All my aim is to help people, but they were not interested. I was begging people out, they should come and learn how to do AdMob, how to do this thing, create app without coding, do this, do this, do that, and people were not even interested. So, and what else? I just have to let go of it, and I'm doing my thing alone. I'm always alone, doing my thing, doing my analysis, do this, do that, do my trading. I myself, I invested in also training as well, but today I want to give back to community. I just want to have people around me that will be happy, and they will be able to change the community as well. And that is my essence of coming to this platform. So I think for now I will just end up this by tomorrow we are going to have a live chat YouTube video. Then you should be able to, maybe you should be able to ask any question, and if you want to know little about me as well, I'll be able to give you some details of myself, and we can make a friend. And if I say I'm looking for a friend, I already have a friends. I have a friend from Canada, Mexico, and etc. I have both Nigerian and other countries. So I'm still looking to have a lot of friends, and let's make this money together. This money doesn't belong to me. The one you make is yours. And like I always said, I rather teach you how to catch the fish than be giving you fish. What if I'm no more? How can you? So that is just it. It's just that the let's just motivate yourself and start doing something. So I'm going to leave the link to those are airdrop I'm currently mining that I believe they are going to cook. I'm going to leave all the link in the description. So see you in the tomorrow's live YouTube chat. I think we are going to station it at 4 o'clock. So by 4 o'clock, let's just have maybe 30 minutes chat, and we learn more about the whatsoever you want to know. Just prepare down your question, and I'll be able to help some of you guys.